Nana Station.
XXL Media Live on YouTube.
The best channel ever.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to Nana Soithri, and this is the heart of the capital city of Bangkok. It rained cats and dogs, as you can see. Yeah. Trying to show you the streets of Bangkok, how they look like in case it rains. Yeah. let me get to the BTS. I'll end this video of the street and let me take you to the BTS station. This station is called Nana Station. This is a new hotel. It's called JIK. So I'm going to the other desk to buy myself a ticket. Let me go get a ticket to my place. This is 100 bucks.
Phuket, 62.
62 baht. So the ticket I'm going to use costs 62 bahts.
Platform 2, thank you.
This is my change. And some coins. This is my card. This is the ticket. And you have to place it here. Guys, I don't know when you last visited Skonvit or Nana specific. Yeah. So we're in September 2024. Yeah, man. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, ciao ciao, you know? Yeah. So, this is Nana Station. Nana. Nana. So, this is the platform where passengers have to wait for the trains. Yeah. In just a few minutes. Welcome to Bangkok. Be free to ask any question in the comment section. Yeah, leave any question. Yeah. Anything that you would like to know about Thailand. Yeah. So, well, here are some advertisers. They are promoting their brands, food, etc. Now this one is going to the other lane. So it's from exactly where I'm going. The one I have to board must be coming from the other side. Coming this side. Yes. Time check.
XXL Media Live on YouTube.
The best channel ever.